Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you guys have been doing well. Today I will be using the Iridescent lashes. I love them so much because they hold the curls so well even after they are wet, and they are so soft. Today I will be using 14 to 16 millimeters in length. These are 0.7 millimeters in thickness, and they are a level D curled. I will be using the Stacy Lash Glue. This has a drying time up to 3 seconds. The duration time is up to 8 weeks. It has a thin consistency, which makes it great for fans. I would like to emphasize this is a professional glue and it may make your eyes teary. Please note I practiced many times, so I am comfortable with using this glue. I will include alternative options down below. If you want to improve your lash application process, I highly recommend checking out one of these glass tray. You can apply the lash strips onto this glass tray and the glue onto the glue dot. This will make your process so much quicker. I will be using these two tweezers for this application process. The tweezer on the tops will help me create fans, and the tweezers on the bottom is going to be used to help me separate my natural lashes. To make sure that you have a very up-close view of your natural lashes, I highly recommend to use a magnifying mirror. Lash extension tape can be used for many different reasons. I mainly use it to help me lift my eyelid to have a better visual. I don't recommend to do your lash extensions unless you do have a fan. The fan is going to help you blow away the fumes as well as dry your lashes, and the mascara one is a must because it's going to make sure everything is nice and blended. For safety, I always make sure that I have some lash extension remover on hand. This will allow me to remove the lashes that are bothering me, and I always make sure that I have some eye drops. You can achieve so many different type of looks. Typically, I like to go for an open eye doll look. Therefore, I'm going to apply 40 millimeters to the inner and outer corner of my eyes and 60 millimeters to the center of my eyes. Because my natural lashes looks fairly light in color, I like to create the pointy base or short stem type of fan. This is going to give me more of a defined lash extension look. For the next part, I will just continue to apply the 14 millimeters to the outer corner of my lashes. It can seem so repetitive, but I feel like it's so worth it in the end. I can honestly say that it's been difficult for me to go back to even strip lashes. Now that I'm always close to my pupil, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the 60 millimeters to the center of my eyes. If you did not know, you want to avoid applying oily products around your eyes because the oily products can actually break down the glue. If you want to see a video on a before and after care of your lash extension, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Now, as you guys can slowly start to see, my eyes are starting to get watery towards the center of my eyes. You want to be extra careful, especially if you are deciding to use a professional glue. It is not recommended for everybody to use, so just be extra careful. Now you may see that I frequently brush out the lashes after every few lashes is applied. This is going to make sure that everything again is nice and blended and it is secure. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on one eye, and wow, you can see the difference. I am so obsessed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would love to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave any questions or comments down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.